Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to our channel once again. So today I'll tell you about the pronunciation of a word actually. Just from our childhood, as we are reading, so like this, it is also one type of first stage of speaking English actually. Just we read it actually: A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like this. But here is not like that, but it's a little bit different actually. I'm reading it. Follow it. F as in face. So I'm giving a trace in F, where it is beginning of the words or middle of the words or end of the words. You just follow my pronunciation. At the beginning of the words, fit, fill, fat, far. At the end of the words, live, half, roof, safe. In the middle of the words, after, often, laughing, cuffs. So these are the pronunciation actually. You have to maintain it. So if you not maintain it, so your speaking will be not listening very good actually. So that's why I think that like this way we have to go for it actually. And in my online classes actually, I can show you my audio systems. But these all the sounds you can listen it from audio. So with audio you can practice it with us, and your pronunciation will be clean and clear. It's my promise to you that if you follow it, if you observe it proper way, or if you listen it from audio, so I think you will get a good result. So in our class there's an audio system also. You have to heard it audio from audio, and then you can repeat it like this way gradually when you are continue doing it actually. So I think your pronunciation will be so perfect, I think. And later when you will speak, I think you will get a huge support from your speaking. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Nice day.
मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो।